As more and more voices question the Maharashtra government for its alleged preferential treatment towards actor Sanjay Dutt, the Bombay High Court is set to hear a PIL challenging the repeated extension of parole granted to the actor. In fact, the Ministry of Home Affairs has also stepped in, seeking answers from the state government.
This was when Bollywood actor Sanjay Dutt was last seen at jail. The actor has since been out on parole for over 2 months. The actor, convicted in the 1993 blast case, has been sentenced to 5 years in prison. But Dutt has been given parole extensions thrice since he moved to Pune's Yarwada jail.
I am in no position to really talk about him, but I just want my case to be heard as soon as possible.
And with murmurs of preferential treatment being given to Dutt gaining ground, the Home Minister has stepped in, asking the state government to justify repeated parole extensions to Dutt.
इस बारे में कोई सुधार की आवश्यकता है, इसलिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं देखने के लिए मैंने कहा है, और उसका रिपोर्ट आते ही इस बारे में क्या संशोधन किया जाता है, क्या बदलाव किया जाता है, इस बारे में हम उचित फैसला करेंगे.
The Home Ministry's intervention coming just days after political furore broke out in the state over the issue.
In this particular case, despite it being a very high-profile case, one has seen parole after parole, extension after extension, and the BJP wants to ask that if this kind of leniency is meted out in specific cases, why isn't there parity of law to all the convicts?
कायद्याचा कुठे उल्लंघन झालंय का? कायद्याच्या अनुसरून प्रत्येकाला कायदा समान आहे. तो किती मोठा असला किंवा किती लहान असला तरी कायद्याप्रमाणे ज्याला ते अधिकार आहेत ते त्याला मिळाले.
They have tried to justify repeated parole extensions to Sanjay Dutt under the garb of upholding due procedure. But with the Home Ministry questioning their decision, the Maharashtra administration will be forced to answer some tough questions. Bureau Report, Times Now.